What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A21. Stay tuned. Now, before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Armadillo Tech for actually sponsoring today's video. If you guys are looking for a case that utilizes practical use cases such as side grip, dust covers, and kickstands, and most importantly does not break the bank, then this is a case you should definitely check out. You have a variety of different types of colors and styles that will give your phone more protection as well as more character. If you guys want to learn more, I've left some links in the description down below as well as the comment section down below. But let's go ahead and start this video. Alright everyone, so starting off, I just want to go ahead and say that I paid $109.99 for a new line with this device. I believe it's even cheaper. I think it's actually $39.99 when you actually transfer from another carrier to Metro by T-Mobile, so it's a very affordable phone. I believe you also get a discount if you guys want to add a line to your current line, so that's always a cool deal. Now, starting off with some of the specifications, we're going to have a 6.5 inch screen. This is going to be 720 by 1600p, so this isn't going to be full HD. We're going to have a 16 megapixel main camera. You're going to be able to shoot 1080p on it. We have 3 gigabytes of RAM in this device, and we're also going to have 4,000 milliamps as far as the battery goes. And this is also going to have a 4-lens setup, so we're going to be talking about that in a little bit. But let's go ahead and unbox this phone. If you guys have any questions, definitely put in the comments down below and I can go ahead and check out the phone. Also, if you guys have any ideas of videos you guys want me to do, definitely comment them down below so I can go ahead and get that done. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and pop this out of the box and see how this looks. So on top, it looks like we're gonna have the manual. Go ahead and open that up right now. So inside we have the terms and conditions as well as the quick reference guide in English and Spanish. Also, very weird that it has A11 and A21, but I guess these are pretty much the same quick reference guides and terms and conditions for both devices, so they just went ahead and did that. Cool. Next, we have the phone right here. Very nice deep blacks. We're going to take a look at that in a sec. We also have our data cable right here, as you guys can see. And we also have our adaptive fast charging brick, which is cool. And last but not least, to go ahead and take your SIM card or insert a memory card in this phone, you're going to need this little SIM tool. Alright everyone, so here is the Galaxy A21 in all its glory. Looks beautiful actually. Definitely like this all black color, very sleek, very sexy. Starting off on the back right here on the top left, we have the 4-camera setup. Now with this 4-camera setup, we're going to have a 16 megapixel f1.8 wide camera, and that's going to be a PDAF camera. The second is going to be an 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide camera. The third is going to be a 2 megapixel f2.4 macro camera, and the last one, the fourth camera, is going to be a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera. And to the right of that, of course, we have the LED flash, and to the right of that, we have the fingerprint sensor. Also, bottom of the phone, where I seem to have left a huge thumbprint, we have the Samsung logo right there. Right side of the device, we have the spaced volume up and down rocker, as well as the power button. Left side of the device, we have the SIM tray. Bottom of the phone, we have our speaker. We have our USB Type-C port. We have our noise canceling mic, and we have our 3.5mm headphone jack. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Alright everyone, so the phone is now loaded up and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the top of the phone right here. Obviously we have the headset up top as well as the front facing camera. Now the selfie camera is actually a 13 megapixel camera and you guys can actually use wide mode on it, so that's pretty cool. Next, obviously the biggest thing here is the screen. 6.5 inch screen right here. I love that they did the hole punch like they did on the S10e and other devices because it gave us much more screen real estate, and I really enjoy the modern look of the hole punch. I think it looks good on phones. Now this device is currently running Android 10.0 UI2, so this is the latest Android that is out currently. You guys can choose if you want an app drawer or you just want the home screen. It's actually going to ask you that when you first load up the phone, so that's definitely something you need to know. Next thing, we're going to take a look at the drop down bar menu. Honestly, this feels super fluid so far. 3 gigabytes of RAM in here, but feels very fluid. Now for our quick toggles, we have Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, power mode, mobile hotspot, blue light filter, location, do not disturb, NFC. So we have NFC on this device, which is great to see. We also have quick share, sync, Dolby Atmos. Great that they have this on this phone. You guys are going to have a great listening experience when you plug in those headphones. We also have dark mode, which is pretty cool. So you guys can go ahead and turn that on, turn everything black. Focus mode right there, and we also have Wi-Fi call. Now, first and foremost, I do want to hear the speakers on this device. I'm very curious to see or hear how these speakers sound. Really excited about this. Let's go and check this out. All right, everyone. So I'm basically going to be giving you my reaction to these speakers. Let's see how they sound. Now, the last tip is going to be an absolute lifesaver. You guys are going to want to listen to this. That's insane. It didn't say anything about 2 speakers on this or dual speakers, so that was really surprising. That is a very, very loud bottom speaker right there. Obviously, if you cover it up, it's gonna get muffled, so definitely don't cover that up. But different tips and tricks. Sounds amazing. If you guys want to go on this device, I will leave the current pricing in the description. Yeah, so it's 1 speaker. So go ahead and check those links. That is a very, very loud speaker, though. All right, everyone. So as far as the viewing experience, we can go up to 720p, which is just fine for me, honestly, especially for that price tag that we have right there. Looks amazing on this screen. Actually, it looks really, really good. So great stuff right here as far as the viewing experience. Another thing is that these are the new wallpapers right here that you guys can use as far as that goes. And obviously you can download more on the Galaxy Store or the Play Store. So that's great to see. I want to go ahead and take a look at the camera, so let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so we have our Dragon Ball Z figure right there. If you guys like that show, definitely comment down below, but we're going to go ahead and take a normal photo of this little guy. So you guys can see this looks really decent, actually. Saturation is good. It always has been on Samsung budget devices. Very, very clear photo, though. You guys can even see the dust specks on it, so very clear photo. Obviously, we're going to test this out in darker environments and see how it performs, but so far it looks really, really good. Also, for that 16 megapixel camera, we have that wide mode, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. And as you guys see, looks good. Great edge detection. Saturation looks nice. Colors and lighting are fine. Obviously, we're gonna try this out on darker environments, and I'm hoping it's gonna perform well. You know, obviously on the A51, the A71, the A20, we've seen some decent performance, so hopefully this will replicate that. Now, the last thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is take a picture of myself. Wow, so that's actually really clear. Wow, that's nice. Awesome. Looks really good. Lighting's there. The saturation and everything has gotten way better from the A20 to the A21. This looks really, really good. Good job, Samsung. Really good job on this device. Now, as far as the video goes, it can shoot up to 1080p, so that's cool at 30 frames per second. And as far as the front video, I believe it's 1080p at full HD as well, so that's great to see that we get there. No 60 FPS, but honestly, I could do without it, especially how cheap this phone is. We also have some more modes. Live focus right there. We have video. We also have stickers. We have panorama, pro, food, and macro. We also have this little pen right here. 2 drag modes and add modes to the list. So that's cool. So far, really excited to do more videos on this device. Really enjoyed it so far. I definitely give it a pass, especially for the price that I got it at Metro. If you guys do want to pick this up unlocked, I will leave you a link in the description down below. You guys can go ahead and purchase from. That is going to be an affiliate link, so I get a little bit of a commission from it. But yeah, guys, really enjoyed this device so far. Good job, Samsung, on the camera, on the front and rear cameras. They're looking mighty mint. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. Peace out, Tech Gang.